If my day goes left, this tiny kit saves me. I'll show you what I pack, why it works, and you can screenshot the checklist at the end of the video. Okay guys, so this is the pouch. It's small, wipeable, and it fits in every bag. Like, it's really like useful. And I didn't choose transparent, I chose opaque because like I wanted it to be like you can't really see like what's inside. Just because like that's what I prefer. But if you like transparent stuff, then you can choose it. But it's easy to use and it doesn't take space. So I'm just gonna open it and then we can see what's inside. Okay, I always pack my lip combo, which is a lip liner and a lip gloss. This is the Miss Loretta's Cosmetics lip and eyeliner pencil, and this is the Absolute Long Lasting lip gloss. This is my favorite lip combo ever. I also have a mini comb, sorry. This little comb just in case I wanna, do my hair and stuff. Yeah, I also have a hair tie. This is from Luvisa in Accra Mall. And then I also have this little claw clip just in case I want to put my hair up. And also, can we take a minute to see the design? Like, look how creative it is. It's really cute. And I got this just like 2 weeks ago, so it's quite new. So yeah, that's all the beauty stuff I have. I love these so much. Like, they're just used for when like just to like touch up and yeah, just make sure I look cute. Okay, so the next things I pack is to freshen up, make sure I'm fresh, make sure I'm smelling good. So yes, the first thing I use is deodorant. This is the Sheer deodorant, Cotton Dry. This just makes sure I smell clean and stuff, and it's very useful. So yeah, the next thing I have is a spray perfume. It's my friend got me this. It's Heartbeat Pink and Sweet Body Mist. I think she got it from Banana. I'm not too sure. But this is what it looks like, and it just goes on really nicely. It smells literally incredible. This is just, when you just need an extra spritz. Next, we have tissue. This is by Flora. I just use this when I have a cold, You never really think you need this until you do, and then, yeah, and then you hope you pack it. So, yeah, I just have tissues just in case. Next, I have this body lotion that I put. It's like scented, so it smells really good, and it pairs really nicely with the perfume. The reason I got it is because the reason I got a scented body lotion is because like I want something that complements my perfume scent, and I want it to smell like really really good. So, and I also have this one. This is in the scent Rosemary Mint, and this one smells really good too. So yeah, and it's like a liquidy formula. I don't know if you can see that. And it goes on really nicely and smooth. So yeah, it's really nice. And this one also smells good. It smells like rose. It smells like mint, but it's actually really good. So yeah. I also have pads, which is very self-explanatory. I also have sanitizer, but I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's literally out. There's literally no more left. It's literally not coming out because it's all finished. But yeah, I also do have a hair clip just in case I want to like clip my hair back. I barely use this, but just in case. I also have edge control. Don't be fooled by the container. My edge control container is huge. Let me show y'all my edge control container. If I can find it, it's black. Wait, where is it? Guys, I cannot find it, but I use the Justin Glaze thing, which is like an edge control. My mom got it from me. I don't know where she got it from, but the container was too big, so I put it in this like nail thing that I used to use like to help me stop biting my nails. I just put it in there. So yeah, do not be fooled. This is edge control. So just in case I do my edges, my hair is normally like my like braids are normally like covering my hair. Like I tie it in a ponytail like this. So y'all cannot even see my edges, so I don't be doing my edges, but I just keep this in case. I don't know why. I don't know, but yeah, this is my edge control. I also have this lip balm that I got on the plane. Fun fact: this actually smells like minty, and but it's like soft, no, not overpowering, and it goes on very smoothly. You just like wind it up like this, and then it comes up. Then you just put it on. It's very soft. This is for the days when I don't want to do my lip combo, so I just put on a little bit of lip balm just to make sure my lips aren't chapped. But yeah, and then I do have this little perfume oil. It's like a this one smells really good. It's from Lancome. It says La Vie est Belle, and then it's like this little roller perfume where you spray it like this. I don't want to like waste it though, but yeah, that's what's in my pouch. Okay, let's pack the bag back in and see if it all fits. Put everything back in. So yeah, it literally all fits. All of it is in literally all fits in one pouch. It's not heavy and it's ready to go. It's very accessible. I just put this inside my backpack. If y'all want a backpack like what's in my backpack, you can put that in my community tab. You can write that down in my community tab. Yeah, because this goes in my backpack, and I was thinking of making it like separate what's in my backpack video. So if you guys want that, definitely tell me down below. But this is what the bag looks like. I never really gave you what uh what the bag is. It's from Lentil Paris. I got this on I think it was Ethiopian Airlines or like an airline. I'm not really too sure. It was an airline. Yeah, it is Ethiopian Airlines, I think. Because I have another one of this. And it looks exactly the same. And it says Ethiopian Airlines. These two, yeah. I think this is Ethiopian Airlines, yeah, and it's like a grayish color. Most times I put my claw clip like outside, like I hang it on the little tag, so it looks like this. Oh, it just fell, guys. But like this kind of. So yeah, but sometimes I put my claw clip in my hair, sometimes I put it on my uniform. So yeah. My advice is to keep one in your bag for like school and stuff, and also keep another one at home, which is what I do, just in case, so you don't get caught off guard. But that's just my advice. You don't have to do that. You're not obliged to do that. That is just my advice. Also, here is the full checklist. I'm gonna insert the picture right here, so you guys can screenshot it, save it, and like customize it. But that's all the things that you probably should have in your emergency kit, just in case. Just a reminder that this is not me telling you what to put in your like emergency kit. I'm just helping you guys. So if I forgot anything or like you have something in your bag and I don't, just comment down below. I'll make a community post. My comments are off, but I'll make a community post asking like if I forgot anything, and you guys can write your opinions down. But yeah, that is going to be the end of today's video. If you did like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I'm gonna make a full video explain like saying thank you, but that video isn't gonna be out until like I think 2 weeks, 1 week, whenever I get the chance to film and edit. But I do love you guys so much, and I do appreciate it. And thank you for all the like love and support, because like it's really nice and it means so much to me and stuff. So I just wanted to tell you guys that thank you, and I appreciate all of you guys. But yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.